little shit you already know how I do. I just jump right into it. So let's do it. Okay. Just to break it down, your legs is gonna be going in and out. Your hips are going around. Hips going in and out. Hey, hey, in and out, in and out, in and out. And push back. Double, double, single, double, single, double. Then push, 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 push. First stop. Hey, hey. Slow it down. Speed it up. Hey, hey, hey. Push front, back. Double singles. Double singles. Now we're going to pump forward. Hold his head right there. Hold his head right there. Pump right forward. Hold his head, hold his head, hold his head. And wind it up, wind it up, wind it up, wind it up. Take it up, take it down. Hey, let's go, hey. Slow it down. Back singles and double. Hey, hey, hey. Hold his head, now push forward. Push, 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 push. Hold, hold, while you grind it in. Hey. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. This I love you. You know I love you, darling. Love you, darling. Oh yeah. Double here, single, double. One more time, and hold this. Push forward and hold. You can dog walk. Push. And deep down, when I recline on it, recline on it. It's fine. So y'all like try that, and so look, y'all already know it's harness. I want to say thank y'all so much for watching, and also if I resonate with you, which I know I do, hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. Let's get these subscriptions up. And also, ladies, y'all know I'll be having my Seductive Art workshop, which is happening Saturday, April 30th is the last Saturday in the month, which is next Saturday, at a disclosed location. Once you purchase your tickets, you will get the location that's happening in NYC. So I hope that you get this. Ladies, Seductive Art Workshop happening April 30th in New York City. Go to my website, www.seductive-art.com to purchase your tickets. I hope to see you guys there. All right, peace.